Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can use thread as a beginner guide from your Instagram account. The first thing is to go to your Instagram here. Then click your profile and go to your, you can see this like a thread badge. Then click on that. You can see login with Instagram. This is how you are going to use thread as a beginner's guide. Allow. So by this you can log in from your Instagram accounts to your thread account. So I'm going to see my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to H-QTV. Peace.